Hey guys, it's me and my cat. Mitty, say hi. Mitty. Hi. Ow! Mitty, stop it. Guys, welcome back to my show. My name is Chandelier. I'm a licensed esthetician, and today I'm taking you guys on a road trip. Oh my god, Mitty, stop it! Guys, my cat is being ridiculous today. He is being a true orange kitty. So you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I document my journey of being an esthetician in the most authentic way possible, and people really like it. So subscribe, commit to the vibes, girl, because it's good vibes over here. Today we are flying. Yes, girl, we on location. No, but for real, we are flying to a trade show in California. This is my first time out in Long Beach, California, and girl, would you know it? I go out there and there's literally a hurricane. Like, what? If you guys don't know, I'm from Kansas, so I'm not familiar with hurricane protocol. So you know your girl was scared as fuck. But we had a good time doing the show. Here I am arriving. Typically when I fly, it's never a straight through flight, but it was cool because I got to connect with one of my girls while I was flying. And then we saw one of our other girls. And so we went to the hotel together. We got checked in, dropped our bags off, and now we are at the convention. So for those who also don't know, I am an ambassador with Circadia skincare. It is my favorite skincare line. You guys know this. I've talked about it my entire journey, from winning a scholarship to meeting the entire team in Dallas to working with the team. I mean, before that, I even went to the gala, like all that fun stuff. So to be here working with the team, like, oh my gosh, girl, like, I am having just a moment. Look, I am literally learning from Chris. Like, oh my god. I remember me and my friends, like, when we went to Philly and we met everybody, like me and Lauren, like, we literally, if you guys go back, there's a video of when we went to Circadia's gala, and Lauren literally manifested that we were going to work with them. And so just to be here, girl, it was just crazy. And we've just learned so much. So we are kind of like some of the newer people coming in. So I'm really just trying to learn as much as I can, grow, and, you know, continue to learn. Like, the name of the game in the season for me is just learning. I'm being humble and just appreciating where I am. Like, this moment, we were driving in the car to dinner, and I was just thinking to myself, like, this is so crazy. I cannot believe this is happening. Like, I look back at my videos and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is what I wanted to do, blah, blah, blah. I showed it to you guys. And then like I'm doing it, you know? So anywho's, it's time to turn up. So yeah, we gonna have a good time, okay? So shout out to Ash, who saw me, and I always tell her I'm forever grateful, in Dallas, and got me connected. She knows how to have a good time too. That's Brittany in Philly. Oh my gosh, guys, we were just having so much fun in this hurricane. Like, we're just like, whatever. No, it was actually fine. It actually ended up being fine. But yeah, so Ash put together this dinner, and it was such a good vibe. Obviously, we had a good time, so we had fun. This is my first time seeing a Hulkin bag in person, girl, because, you know, I thought it was hype. Brittany brought this bag. Brittany's one of the people that I consider like a mentor right now in my life. She just constantly like pours into me, and everyone around her. She is such a valuable resource, and she'll be on the podcast soon, so I can't wait. If you guys don't know, I run a podcast called Skin is In Podcast. You should check it out anywhere. That's Lauren, y'all. Okay, y'all know I love Lauren. Y'all, we are so fascinated. Get a group of estheticians together, okay? We were so fascinated by the like accuracy of Brittany's like satellite. It was just crazy. It was like watching the car all 360. Davy got out the car to see if it worked. So here's me and Lauren walking into our first show, and I'm just gonna let you guys vibe for a second, because like this was really just a moment for me.
But I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chilling, I GDMing, yeah. Didn't want to share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smiles. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do. Just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside.
Girl, and this is like literally not even half of it. Here's the thing, when you work a show, you work from the minute you touch down to the minute it is time to go. Like, we spend hours before prepping for the shows, hours after. I have so much respect for everybody in this industry, especially knowing what I know now. Like, it is really wild. And so to see what people have accomplished, like just even different people like connected with all, all different types of brands. It's a really like crazy amount of commitment it takes to just this craft, your efficiency and your work ethic. Like, it kills me when people say like, I can't work for anybody. Like, girl, you need to be moldable, okay? You need to be flexible and ready to just flow, because that mindset can really block you from a lot of opportunity. Just say yes to some things that are available out there. And I just, I was just like taking a moment, looking around, and now I'm heading home, y'all. I'm heading on home. So it's about that time to head on up out of here. And it was really nice to work the show. I had so much fun. Girl, I felt like my skin was acting crazy, and it kind of was. But today I got it together. I finally gave myself a facial. Girl, it changed the game. My skin looks so good. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted like a video of it. And just like how far it's came. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, just know there's sometimes, skin is gonna break out. Like, that's why I try to tell my clients all the time. Anyways, here I am back in the studio. So I was working. Y'all already know what it is. I stay working, podcasting, really just trying to work on some things for you guys. This podcast episode is actually live on my Spotify right now, or Apple Podcasts, wherever you get your podcasts. It's a episode recorded with Ashley Garcia, the owner of Aesthetics Beauty Bar, located in Arlington, Texas. She's a Latina out here, just trying to represent, and I really like how she is just showing up anyways. We talked about imposter syndrome and just, the fear of doing anything new and that anxiety that comes along with it. And I'm actually creating a course for you guys, for those who are struggling with that mindset, and it's going to be really easy to follow. Sorry, y'all, I'm just vibing here. It's going to be really easy to follow, so make sure you have your notifications turned on, and make sure you are connected with me on Instagram so that you'll know when I drop that, because it's going to be a limited time only kind of thing. And I hope you guys felt inspired watching the video. I'm going to link my podcast in the first comment down below, and check out my entire playlist right here. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.